Dear students, so let us continue our chapter, reaching the age of adolescence. In this chapter, we have covered the maximum part of the chapter, and the last portion which we discussed today is about the endocrine glands. Endocrine glands. So, firstly, what are endocrine glands? So, dear students, endocrine glands are those glands which used to secrete hormones. They are ductless glands, that means whatever their secretion, it is directly mixed up into blood. Glands are of two types, endocrine glands and exocrine glands. Those glands which have duct and their secretions, they secrete enzymes, they are sent to the target organs via duct pipe. They are called exocrine glands. On the other hand, there are some glands which don't have pipe or duct. Whatever their secretions are, it is directly disposed into the blood, it is mixed in the blood, and from the blood it is carried to various parts of the body. Those glands are called endocrine glands. So among those glands, the first is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. This is a gland which is situated in the brain, in the core part of the brain, and it serves as primary connection or link between brain and rest of the organ. Rest glands of the body. There, it is primary connection. That means it is the main connection. Our brain has the connection to all parts of the body as well as all the glands of the body. So this hypothalamus serves as primary connection between brain and the different glands of our body. Now, it regulates various functions of the body, such as body temperature, through hypothalamus not only directly controls but also it influences other organs or other glands also to regulate some function. This regulation of temperature is through pituitary gland. There are more functions of it. However, this is the main function of hypothalamus, that is, it serves as a primary connection between brain and rest glands of the body. It regulates the temperature of the body through pituitary gland. Clear? After that is thyroid gland. Next is thyroid gland. Next gland is thyroid. You might have heard a disease called thyroid. We simply used to say thyroid disease, but that is not the proper name of that disease. Thyroid, and after that something is there. Thyroid is not a disease, but it is a gland in our body which is responsible for the synthesis of protein and other. One of the functions of thyroid gland is to synthesize protein, fat and other metabolic substances in the body. This thyroid gland is situated here. Thyroid. You might have heard or seen, however, nowadays it is not seen, but a disease called goiter. Goiter, which is swelling of the thyroid gland. This causes due to the deficiency of iodine in our body. Hence, it is advised to have iodine, and that iodine we can take in the form of common salt, which is used in our households for cooking foods. It has iodine. Now, deficiency of iodine influences the function of thyroid, and it leads to the formation of goiter, which is simply the enlargement of thyroid gland. Thyroid gland regulates the function of synthesizing protein fat, which is in our body. After that, the next is pituitary. Pituitary gland. This pituitary gland is a very small gland. It is shaped of a pea seed. However, it is called master of glands. Master of glands. That means it has command over all the other glands. It has command over all the other glands. Clear? It is small. It is situated in the brain here, and it has it regulates the sleep pattern. It regulates the sleep pattern and also regulates the reproductive system of human body. This pituitary gland, however, it is very small in size, but it regulates sleeping patterns. Regulates sleeping patterns and also reproductive processes. Clear? This was about the pituitary. I'm sorry. It is mixed. It is no. This one is what? Pituitary gland. It was about the pineal gland. Pituitary gland regulates the release of various hormones. It stimulates hypothalamus and regulates several